So here we have this JDD Parts long extendable shoehorn. Now this thing is actually really cool and it works great, so let me give you a closer look at it. Alright, so this thing is mostly made of aluminum, it has a nice sturdy shoehorn piece, and it's also super smooth, no rough edges at all. It also has this nice foam sleeve for the handle, it's nice and thick, easy to grip onto, nice and comfortable, and then on the end is a loop or a lanyard, and you can use it to hang it up or use it like this so you don't accidentally drop it. And I'm not really sure what it's for, but it also has this 1/4" threaded hole on the back. And of course the main feature of this is that it's extendable. It extends from 14.5 inches all the way to 37 inches. And then once you extend it, you can twist the handle to lock it in place. You can see it's pretty solid. Then you just untwist it, you can push it back together and lock it back in place. And you can also twist it at any length to lock it in place. And it extends plenty far enough that I can easily use this to put on my shoes without having to bend over at all. Definitely a cool feature how you can extend it, and I also really like how you can lock it in place. Now, one thing that I thought might be a little bit of a problem is how sturdy it is, but with normal use, it looks like it'll hold up just fine. And for what you get, it's also surprisingly inexpensive. So yeah, I've tried a couple different portable shoehorns, and I gotta say, this one is definitely my favorite. It's nice and solid, it extends super long, it also locks into place, and all that retracts into a relatively small 14.5 inch shoehorn that you can easily stow away.